I'm sharing my screen now. Please let me know it is visible. Okay.
Okay.
Is the screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm covering the major part because in my previous classes I have covered how to create Facebook page, how to integrate it with a ad manager account, how to create campaigns, how to create campaign for Instagram. So these all things which I have covered. Okay. The major part is the Facebook Business Manager. Okay. What exactly the Facebook Business Manager is? Now, recently, Facebook has converted their business manager to Facebook Meta Suite. Okay, the Facebook Meta Suite is something which is because if you can see from last 1 year, Facebook is changing like anything. They are trying to adopt in the market. They are trying to come up with very new UI and new features in the Facebook business platform. On that, when you go to Facebook and check their major the major tool which is recognized, that is Facebook business settings. Okay, when you go and check business.facebook.com. Okay, this is the thing. When you click it, it will land to a page. Okay, it will ask to create one account. Okay, and it will open this account. Okay, this account is the most important account whenever you wanted to promote anything on Facebook, because Facebook page is something where we can post our content, we can post our image, we can post our video, but this is the platform where we can plan our promotions and promote it throughout the audience which we have. Okay, so on this settings we have integrations. In integrations, we can integrate our Facebook, Instagram, everything we can integrate to a single platform, and when we can promote it. Okay. When you land to this, you need to go to the all tools. All tools is the settings where you can check your other activities of the backend of the Facebook. And when you go to the ad manager, you can land it to the add accounts of the Facebook settings. Then after that, when you go to the business settings, you will land it here. Okay. When you land here, there are user is there. When you can go through this UI, okay, user is there. User, when you the people whom you wanted to give the access of the business account. This is actually the UI of the business account. So where you can add everything. Okay, what is people? You can see the people whom you wanted to share the access of Facebook, Instagram, your ad account, everything with a single platform. In a single platform, when you share all the access, it is known as Facebook Business Suite access. Okay, so here you can give access to the people. When you go to the people segment, you just need to click on add segment. You just need to give the email ID. You need to allow the admin access if you want to give the admin access or the employee access, and you can do the next. Then they will get one notification in their email ID, the email ID where you have given, and they can proceed further. What are the step it will ask, they will proceed further. They will get the access of this. Okay. Then if you can see, there is another segment is known as partners. What exactly the partners is there? Let's say one brand is having multiple businesses. Okay, multiple businesses, and for multiple businesses, if they wanted to give a partner access is majorly for an agency access. Okay, when someone will go and give a access to an agency. Let's say I'm a brand, I wanted to give a X agency. If they are not performing well, I can remove the X agency and I can give to the Y agency. So this is the partner setting is majorly for the agency access. Okay. Then the system users. System users are for the majorly to manage the users. Let's say I'm a big, I'm having a team of 20 people. Okay. To manage the 20 people, I have an admin guy. Okay. If let's say someone is to my company, someone is adding and someone is going from the company. If we wanted to manage them, we can manage through system users. Okay. This is a setting through that we can manage the system through system users. We can manage the people who, to add it and remove it from the business settings. So this is the majorly for the user segment, how we can add and remove the users. Okay. Then you can go to the page segment. Here in the page segment, you can see there are people, let's say one brand is there. I can add multiple pages. Let's say I have 20 pages. I'm an agency account and I wanted to add 20 pages. I can add 20 page. Okay. Here you just need to click on the page. When you go, you can add on the page. There are three options will come. Okay. Add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. You can directly create new page. You can request for the page. Let's say I don't have the access. I want to request. Let's say Kiran sir has created one page. I want that access to my business manager account. I'll request access from here and add a page. The page access the admin. I am admin in that page. I can add that page to the business account where I can go and click here. I can search for the URL, whichever page I want, and I just need to click on the add page. So through this, I can add a page to my account where I have already added one page to my account. So you can remove the page once it is added. You can view the page. Okay. You can share access only to the page. No need to share the business account access. If you want to share the access of page, you can give directly from here. You want to give agency access to this page, you can do it. Okay, assign partners, and you can see the partners here and you can see the people here. When you go down, how many people are there, you can see directly from here. How many partners are there, you can directly see from here. So this is majorly for the page access. Whenever the account is there, whenever you will create one business account, automatically Facebook will give, you can add one ad account to it. Okay, how you can check it? When you go to the business info, when you go to the business info, here whenever you go down, just a minute. Here it is given 5. Okay, this account is got matured and they have given 5, but when you create a new account they will give 1. So whenever you'll go here, the add account segment, you can add, you can create new ad account that is only 1 limit for your business manager account. When it is matured, it will give 5. So I can create 5 ad account with this business manager account. Okay. So this is one ad account which I have created. I'm just showing you one test one. When you go and I'll create a new one, it will ask for account name. Let's say I'll give the account name is test. Okay, I'll give the time zone. Okay, time zone is the Kolkata time zone which I have to give. Okay, which is the Indian time zone, GMT +5. Okay, and the currency which I wanted to bill my ad account, that is Indian rupees. I just need to click on test. Okay, I wanted to allocate it is another business client or it is my business client. I can click it on my business client because it is my business ad account. So when I'll click here, it automatically the create option will pop up. So when I'll click here, the my ad account will be created. You can try it at of your own account and whom I wanted to give access. Okay, I can give access to both people. Okay, I can assign. Okay, When I'll assign, you can see the ad account is created. Okay. And when I'll click here, it will open the ad account in another tab. Okay. This is the ad account which I have already, which I have created as a test. Okay. If I want to run anything, the first things I need to go to the billing sections and have to add the credit card or debit card. Okay. Whenever we'll be creating any account, there are two types of accounts whenever we are creating in the Facebook page. Okay. First account is a prepaid account, and another account is a postpaid account. Okay, when you go to the payment settings, whenever we will create any account from our business manager, it is a postpaid account. You promote it in the Facebook account first, then Facebook will charge in later on. Okay, when you go to the payment settings, here it will ask for the to update the credit card. Okay, when you go to the Kolkata time zone, it will ask for the debit card and credit card to add it. Okay, when you add debit card or credit card, next you can add the debit card options or credit card option here. Okay, then there is another option is there when you go account spending limit. Let's say you have added your credit card, you have limit of 5 lakhs rupees, and Facebook, let's say you have given one access to your junior and they have spent 5 lakhs rupees, then there will be an issue, right? So to avoid unavoidable circumstances, you just need to set the limit in your ad account. Whenever you will be setting the limit, let's say I wanted to spend 25,000 within this month. I can give 25,000 is the limit and I can save it. So that whenever my account, this account will reach to the 25,000, it will not spend after that. Okay. Any confusion till that? You can ask me in between. Anybody is having any kind of confusion, just let me know. So this is the spending limit. So you can set it off here. Okay. Then once your credit card is added, your ad account is done. Your ad account is set up. So you can go and add business asset group. Okay. What is business asset group? If you wanted to share uh, all things in a combined asset. What is asset? Facebook page, Facebook business account, sorry, Facebook ad account, and Facebook pixels. If all combined, if you wanted to share with a person, it is called an asset. Okay, you can give a combined access to a single people. Okay, so that is asset groups. What is Facebook apps? Facebook app is something when we create SDK. You can know what is SDK. SDK is software development kit. Facebook apps come in whenever we used to do the application install campaign. In application install campaign, we need to integrate our mobile app with Facebook platform. Okay. When we integrate our Facebook, we need to create one applications. Okay. Here you need to connect or create your new app ID. You can create here. Okay, you just need to create which other things are there. Okay, is it is like a workspace, it is like a gaming, is it Instagram game, is it a consumer, or it is a business. Whenever the major thing people select is a business. Okay, when you go here and you just need to click next, you just need to give a name. Okay, any name. Let's say this is the test name I'm giving, and I can create one applications. Okay, it will ask for the password and it will give some code to implement in your mobile applications. When you implement that in the mobile application, your this app account will be active. Okay, after that you will be able to track your mobile activity. Whenever anybody is going to your applications, they are checking your product, they are going to add to cart, or they are going doing the transactional activity. Everything will be tracked through this app, Facebook apps. Okay, then Instagram account. What is Instagram account? You just need to whatever account you have, you just need to integrate with this platform. Just you need to go add. It will ask for details. Okay, when you it will ask connect to your Instagram. When you click here, it will pop up and give the Instagram platform login ID password. Just put your login ID password, your account will be added. How this account is added? Okay, sorry. Then you can integrate your WhatsApp account. This all account you can integrate with a single platform. When you go to the WhatsApp, you can add your WhatsApp number. You just need to give your number. It will give a OTP to your mobile number. Then continue that it will be added. Okay. Then this is majorly the integration of the platforms to a single business manager. Okay. When you add all these accounts to a single account, then you need to create data sources. What is data sources? Anybody who can tell what is data sources? Alia? I'll I'll give the knowledge of data sources. It is majorly data which we are collecting as an audience. Like let's say any audience is visiting to our Facebook page, or they are coming to our website, or whenever they are doing any kind of activity. That data which we are collecting are under data sources. It may be a catalog. Let's say we have created a catalog in our Facebook page. If anybody is interacting with our catalog, okay, that can be one option where people can interact and people can connect. The Facebook pixel, this is the most important thing. Facebook pixel is something where people will interact. We will be able to track the interaction of the people, whatever they are doing in our website. Pixel is majorly for the website. So whenever we'll create, I'll show you. This is the creation of pixel. Pixel is the tracking code or the conversion code, you can say. Okay, you just need to give your website and you need to continue. Okay, when you continue, it will ask, okay, set up pixel now or set up with my business. I can click it on set up pixel now. It will give a code. When you go for the manual code, it will give a code. You can see this is the code which is given. Okay, you need to copy this code and you need to paste it in your website. Okay, whenever people will come to your website, Facebook will get to know, this person is visited to my website. And after that, from here, we can target them. They will see the ads. Okay, when it will continue, it will ask for the setup. Okay, manual setup for the, it will ask you want to create any event tracking code. That is like if anybody is going to your form, okay, they have submitted the form, you can set that events from here only. So this is the pixel which is created. Okay, you can assign people who wanted to access this pixel. Okay, so you can create pixel from here directly, or you can add pixel from here where you can track your website traffic. Okay, then your offline event set. What exactly the offline event set? Let's say you are having multiple stores and you wanted to calculate the store visits. Okay, how you will calculate? There is integration of Facebook with a company called Here. Here is majorly managing the map integration with Facebook. Okay, map integration platform. So when offline event set is there, whenever you're creating offline event set, if anybody by seeing your ads, they are visiting to the store, it will calculate as a offline event set. Okay, this is majorly for the store visit campaigns. Okay, so you can create offline event set here. You can add that event set whenever you're creating any ads. You can add that. So whenever anybody will visit your store, that will be calculated as the offline event set, because they are not coming directly from digital and they are doing any transaction. They're going to the offline store and they are doing the transaction. You can track that as well. Okay. Then custom conversions. What exactly the custom conversions? There are multiple conversion set are there. Whenever we have created, let's say we have created a pixel and we have integrated in the website, and there is a website like Flipkart. Multiple activities are there. They will visit the product. When they will visiting the home page, there are multiple products are there. If they are clicking to a single product and they are going to the product page, After seeing the product page, they're adding it to the cart. When they're adding it to the cart, then they are proceeding. Okay. When they're proceeding, after that, they will go to the payment sections. Then they will add the payment amount they will pay, and they will go to the checkout sections. Okay. So these are the one by one options are there. So we are going to set up some event codes in the transactional sections, so that whenever people will go and do the transaction, it will give a information to us, one person is converted. So that setup is allowed here. We are going to create some conversion code, and we are going to implement in the thank you page or in the conversion page. When payment is done, it will ask for a thank you. Whenever you have experienced it, whenever you have bought anything from Flipkart, whenever the transaction will be done, it will show a thank you page, then it will redirect to the next page, to the cart page, where you can see your order is placed. So that thank you page is a conversion page. Whenever that will be loaded, here it will give a notification that one person is converted. So this is majorly the conversion, custom conversions code. You can create custom conversion from directly from here. Okay. Then event source group. Okay. If you want to create groups, event source group, let's say you have 5 pixels here, and you wanted to create a group of that pixels, you can create directly from here. Okay. You can create business asset group here. Okay. This is shared audience. Okay. Let's say you don't have, there are other platform who is having audiences. They wanted to share with you. You can get all the shared audience here. Okay. Then brand safety. What exactly the brand safety? There are two type of brand safety are there. What exactly the brand safety is? If you can go, brand safety is something. Let's say you are running ads in Facebook platform. Okay, Facebook platform is integrated with lot of Facebook news network. What is Facebook news network? Let's say Times of India, the Telegraph. These are the media. They used to publish lot of content in their website. So people will go to their website. When they will go to their website, in that website, some ad space will be there. They are actually the publishers are. So in that website, the ad space is there, where whatever ad we will give in our Facebook, it will show there. Okay. Let's say some of the people are there where we are going and clicking, it will load, but it is not the exact people they are reaching to the ads. Okay. It's like if you can go to the some movie download site, the MuTorrent. Okay. When you go there, it will redirect to the multiple pages, but a multiple ad will show. As a brand safety or domain, I don't want to serve my ad in that kind of website. Let's say domains. I don't want it to serve my ad in MuTorrent. I can block my domain here. I can ask Facebook, don't serve my ad in that platforms. You can add your domains here. Okay, you can add your domains here. You can add your block list here. Let's say I don't want it to serve. Let's say I'm a news platform, and I don't want it to serve my ad in other news platform, which are my competitors. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will add here the block list. I'll add all the website details here, so that whenever I'll be running my ads, I can select in my ad account that don't serve my ad in this block list. So this is majorly for that. Domain verification is something after the major updates came with their iOS. Okay, Apple OS. uh, because people who are Apple have increased their security level, and people, if Apple user, if they will allow, they will allow that this kind of ad will show to me, then only we can show the Apple user to our ads can be served to the Apple users. So on this, we need to verify our domain. If we verify our domain, then automatically it will serve to the Apple user. If we are not verifying our domain, it will not serve. How we can verify our domain? We just need to add our website in the domains list, and after that, Facebook will give one small code which we need to implement in our Facebook account. Okay. After that, the domain verification will be completed. We need to verify from here. When the verification is done, then only we can serve ad in the Apple accounts. So this is majorly the work of brand safety. Brand safety is something where we can block some of the sites and we can save our website. We can notify the Facebook that our website is safe and we can serve ad in all platforms. This is the work of brand safety majorly. Okay. This is the new pages registration. Okay. This is something new which Facebook has integrated, but this is in the beta phase. Okay. There are integrations. Okay. Integration of app and lead access. Okay. What exactly the integrations are there? There are multiple platforms like, let's say I am a retail store, I am a garment store. I wanted to sell my garment in Flipkart. So I am a seller in Flipkart. So what I used to do, I have listed all my product in Flipkart applications, and I wanted to run some ad in using my Flipkart products, which I have added in Flipkart. So what I will go, I will ask Facebook to access me the Flipkart backend access here, and I wanted to run ad in with using the Flipkart products. So what I will do, I will go here, I will add my Flipkart seller account, and I will add my product in my ad segment, and I can run directly in the Facebook Flipkart application platform through my business manager. Okay, this is majorly for the integrations. Through that, I can run the ads. Okay, then the lead access. The lead access is the lead account where I can integrate the CRM, any kind of CRM if I want to integrate, like Lead Square, Connect.io, this kind of CRM if I wanted to integrate here, I can integrate through this lead access. Okay, this is the customized access I can do here. I can confirm. Okay, I can go and integrate different platform. Now Facebook is creating their own CRM, so that there is new CRM integration is introduced, that is Lead Center. When you go and check in your Facebook page, there is a new tab called Lead Center is coming. Okay, in there, Facebook is creating their own inbuilt CRM. Okay, that is on under the beta phase. Once it will come, it will be a full-fledged applications. Okay, hope the integration is clear. Then I'll go to the payment methods. When you go to the ad account, there is a individual payment method is there. But here, as the business level, also you can integrate your business, your credit card and debit card. What you can do, whatever the ad account you have in the business accounts, you can assign this debit card or this credit card to all ad accounts. That can be done. So here you need to add one. You can see there is one card is added. You can add here, okay, a payment method. And in this, you need to give your credit card and debit card details. Then your account will be ready. Okay, when your account will be ready, you can assign your business accounts. Okay, when you assign to the business, when you assign your payment account to a ad account, automatically you can run ads in that ad account. Okay. This is the method of payment integrations. You can add a single credit card to a multiple ad account. This is the benefit you'll get from here. Okay. Security center is something. What happened from last 2 to 3 years? There are some Vietnam and Chinese applications are there who wanted to show some ads and they wanted to get access of your business account. Let's say you have added your credit card, you have all your pages, and your account got hacked. Like the Facebook page, Facebook account get hacked, your ad account also get hacked. So for to get the security high, the security center Facebook has given in the business account. You just need to select this two-factor authentication for all your admins. Okay, the admin can only do the two-factor authentication from here. Okay, when it is allowed, only your admin can access to the business settings. No one else can access to this. Okay, When you go for two-factor authentication, it will ask for OTP and all those things. So you need to follow that process. Then you will be your business account will be secured. Okay. Here is the this is the way only you can secure your business account. Okay. This is the request you can get if anybody is asking to access for the business account. You can get the request here, and this is the notification. Okay. You can manage the notification. Okay. Let's say any business permission is there, business role is there, business updates is there, support is there. Every notification you'll get it here. Okay. If you wanted to don't want any kind of notification, you can switch off that notification. It will not serve here. Okay. This is the major notification segment, and this is the most important segment, which is called as business info. From business info, you can get your business ID. Whenever you'll communicate with the Facebook customer care, they will always ask for this ID. Okay, this is the most important ID. You need to keep it. Okay, then you need to fill up all these details of your business detail. You need to fill up your name, address, phone number, website, taxation ID. Then you can go for business verification. Business verification, when it is verified account, Facebook will give a more priority to a verified account. I have lot of verified accounts, but this account is not verified yet. So you need to give the verification. For verification, you need to give the registration certificate. You need to give the GST certificate. You need to give the partnership deed or any private limited certification is there. That document you need to upload here and ask Facebook to give a verification badge to your business account. When it is a verified account, Facebook always give priority to a verified account. Okay. Here you can see all the history, whatever things are there. You can see the ad accounts are there. You can see again the two-factor authentication. This is the same thing which I have showed you in the security center. You need to change it here. From if you are doing the security here, it will automatically reflect here. And here you can see the people who is having the access to the business account. So this is majorly the business manager walkthrough. So any questions you have on this? Anybody is having any question?
No, sir.
Okay, clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is majorly which I have shown you the business accounts and the Facebook page manager and the ad accounts. Okay. I'll give you one more platform where after the session you go to that platform and do your questions clear. Whatever questions you'll be getting, you'll be able to see that. You just have to open this URL. Okay, facebook.com business learn certifications. Okay, this I will give you. I'll ping you in the chat as well. Just a minute. Okay, open this link in your system. You can see there are multiple pages are you'll be able to see it. My screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Okay, you're able to see the screen which where meta certification is there.
Yes.
Yeah, here you can go. This is majorly known as Meta Blueprint. Previously, it was known as Facebook Blueprint. Facebook Blueprint is something, whatever the things are there, they will give all the details are there. You can go through the pages, how to create page, how to do everything. Everything will be there. Okay, you can see there are association certifications are there. Okay, associate certificate, professional certificate. Okay, this is the professional certificate of the creative strategy. Okay, this is for the media planning, this is for the media buying. Okay, community manager, marketing developer, spark here. there are different learning platforms are there. Okay, so majorly which things which I have covered is under this marketing association. Okay, when you go to Facebook and business manager, Facebook and Instagram messengers or manager, you will be seeing whatever the things are there, you will be able to learn from here. You can click on learn more. Directly it will give a exam duration of 90 minutes. Okay, you can go here, you can give all the certification exam here, whatever the question it will come. Okay, you have to give the certification exam, and after that they will give a certification, they will send a certification to your email ID directly. So when you will complete this program, okay, you'll get the certification here. Okay, so this is majorly your platform. You just need to go and check the platform, and just need to attend the exam. Once you attend the exam, you'll get the certifications. So anybody is having any kind of doubts, I'll clear it out.
No.
So majorly which I have covered today is Facebook, Instagram, all the platform, how we can run ads on all platform, how to integrate all platforms. Okay, once you start implementing all these things, then only you will be able to get the questions, what are the questions are there. Okay, so I have given a proper walkthrough of what is Facebook Business Manager. So when you'll go through it, you'll implement it, then only you'll get some questions. And I'll request if you're getting any questions, just let me know so that I'll clear it out very properly so that you will be able to understand it. Okay. Yeah, Kiran sir, I'm done with today's class, and just let me know if any questions are there from the students end.
Sure, sure. Alia will speak with them and she'll get back to you. Okay.
Okay. So I have covered major of the thing of the Facebook part. If they will go and go for this blueprint certifications, there are a lot of understanding will be there. They will be able to understand it, and when they will start implementing it, then only they will get the questions. What are the things are there? Okay, but major of the thing which are there in the Facebook platform, I have covered it. If they will start implementing it, they will be able to understand the how to implement it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Nitish sir.
Thank you.
I'll just make everyone to understand about this. Okay. I'm just pasting the link in the group. Everyone has to follow that link and has to complete the Facebook certification as we have done Google Ad certificates. Okay. Thank you, Nitish sir, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you.